This video sponsored by Value Testers. Great promo offer on Testo, Fieldpiece, and Bacharach. Free 2-day shipping on purchase of $200 or more on selected seasonal testing equipment. Link in description below.
Morning guys, it's August 23rd, 2018. This one here I got a call for air conditioner leaking down in the basement. So, it said it's leaking around the condensate pump. So I'm on my way over there to see what's happening with it.
Turn right on Mount Pleasant Street, then take the ramp on the right.
Yeah, looks like that might be blocked. See the water there? That's an old pump, man. Alright, I'll pull this cover off. It's probably just this that's dirty. Needs to be blown out. I'll get some water. What might have happened. What is I'll have to check the filters, but it might be low on Freon too. Oh, that pan is rotted. We'll dump some water in there and see what happens. I have to check the filters. Yeah, filters are clean. That side's clean. Filters are alright, I guess. They look clean to me. So that's not the issue. Probably low on Freon, I bet you. Iced up. We'll have to check it. It's an old unit. That pot's going down fine. I don't think that's an issue there. Looks like that fitting's not tight. Yeah, it looked like it might be backing up a little bit. See it? Right there. Yeah, so what we'll have to do is we'll probably make a cut on this thing somewhere and blow this thing out. Gonna make a cut somewhere and blow it out. Alright guys, we'll put the vacuum to it. Maybe we can see if we can pull that trap, clear that trap. Put a couple, but I like to use this plastic stuff. It's just rubber hose. It makes a nice tight fit for coupling. That's what I like to use. We'll put that back in there and Let me try it again. And we could always pull it apart if we had to. In the future, we'll try dumping some more water down there. I got some tap water from upstairs. I can hear it draining. That's better. I'm gonna put some water in there until I hear the pump run. It's definitely draining. No, it was definitely blocked. She's taking it nice now. Just slime inside the trap. Well, you don't really need the trap on this because it's a positive pressure. If the fan's before the coil and pushing through the coil, you don't really need this trap, but it don't hurt to have it. Some guys like to put them. If your coil's before the fan, you need a trap. That's the difference. Alright, we're going to put it back together and run it and check the charge outside, but I think that trap just had slime in it. Just pulled it out with a vacuum, a little vacuum attachment. I'll put a link in the video in the description where you can get this on Amazon. I'm gonna check the unit now, check the charge on the unit. We'll run it and check it. I'm just gonna turn it down so I could check it outside. Guys, vacuums out condensate trap. I'm gonna check the charge outside. I did spill a little bit of water on the top when I was doing it with the cup thing, but it was definitely blocked there. So we'll check it and this should dry out. Check it outside, check the charge. King valves. This is a 22 unit, so we'll these are king valves. I'll show you what you gotta do here. Take these caps off. You gotta turn this in a little bit. You don't have pressure. Just have to turn that in a little bit. Just have to turn that in a little bit, and then it releases pressure to this port. Now before you take that out, you gotta shut these off again. Some Freon in it. It's a little bit low. Let me get some Freon. It's definitely low on Freon. Moving that subcoolant up some, and see the suction pressure? That's kind of really low. So we're going to go in the suction side. Open this here and we'll bleed it back. Bleed the air out, and then we can open this and give it some gas. You can put it in as a gas. It's 22. So we'll give it a little gundy here. Chooch for this house, mama. A lot of chooch. That's why the suction pressure is so low. Really closed. Pushes from hell here. Our subcooling up. I brought my suction pressure up a little bit. I'll leave it right there. We don't want to put too much in and start flooding back the compressor. I mean, it's no good. The system's been running like this all these years. I'm flipping B. Alright, I'll leave it right there. Can you guys see? Or is it too glary? Subcooling about 9, superheat's 8. Suction pressure's lower than I like to see. Well, that's it. I didn't put much in it. He hasn't been complaining about the cooling part of it, but we give it a little gundy here. Now on these, what you gotta do is you gotta backseat it all the way back, so you can take your hoses off. If you don't do that, I mean, the refrigerant will be dumping right out on you. Never stop it. There's no Schrader core in here. That's what these are. These are called king valves. Should be able to take it out now. Okay? If I turn that in a little bit, gas is going to come right out. You don't want to be careful because that shit's cold as hell. I worked on the system before. Added gas to it years ago. The one with the small hat goes on the high side. The one with the high hat goes on the low side. to drop my things out before I make sure that they'll blink and then they'll drop out. See it drop out? Hold it until it blinks. And it drops out. This is called a Spool and Smart tool. They're still available, you can still get them. Not a bad unit. I mean, it's been running all these years. Now you want to leave this the AC on, or you want it off? You want it off?
Yeah, I guess.
Okay. Or do you want me to just leave it on 70, 70,
that's fine.
74?
That's fine.
I mean, 74 is good, right?
Okay.
Let me just shut the lights off and I'm done.
All right.
I did have to add some gas to it. It was a little low. Just make sure the lights are off. Alright, so it's off. I don't see it leaking anymore. It should all dry up now.